Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a French dip, but this one's special. This here's cooked with picanha and a bone marrow butter. Boys and girls, look at that. Doesn't that thing look good? I tell you what, you try this bad boy, you'll fall in love with it. All that being stated, let's get to prepping so we get to cooking. Come on, you're gonna love this one. So we start with a beautiful picanha. I want you to look at this picanha, how pretty it is. First thing I'll do is take it, flip it over, and make sure I get all the silver skin off of it. Now I'll take my knife, I'm gonna score that fat. Kind of go there, score it really nice. Don't get into the meat too much. And turn it 90 degrees and do it again. Now it's time for the flavor bomb. Now the flavor bomb is two parts here. It's some Dijon mustard and some horseradish sauce. Kind of put that on there and lather it on the meat pretty good. Flip it over and do the meat side also. Now I'm gonna cook this fat cap up. So question for y'all, y'all cook a fat cap up or fat cap down? But we're doing fat cap up. So I'm gonna season the meat side first. First rub is gonna be some Uncle Theo's barbecue, vault secured, good salt, pepper, garlic. Be good heavy coat on that side. Now we're doing the meat side first. Next thing I'm gonna do is a pig on fire, sweet heat. It can be good color with a little bit of heat to it. Now make sure it's on there good, make sure you get the sides. Flip it over, now the fat cap. I'm gonna do the same thing. Uncle Theo's, vault secured, salt, pepper, garlic, in there. Make sure you get inside the crevices pretty good. Then the next one again, pig on fire, the sweet heat. This will give me a good color to this. This here's what you got. Aren't you looking beautiful, picanha? Don't it look good? Let's go put it on the smoker. Come on. So I'm cooking this beautiful picanha today on my Recteq, 300 degrees. The pellets we use is royal charcoal. This is 100% charcoal pellets blended with hickory pellets. This will be pretty cool. It gives a good flavor to it. Looking good, ain't it? Been about there about 15 minutes or so. About 70 degrees. Let that bad boy keep cooking. All right, it's been right at 45 minutes. Starting to look good, don't it? Get in there good. Right about 100. Let it keep cooking. So to add a little bit extra flavor to our bread today, we're gonna make a bone marrow butter. But to start with, I'm gonna take these bone marrows right here, put them on the Recteq, and cook them. On that bone marrow, get nice and soft, then mix with our butter. Do that in a few minutes. Also about an hour and 10 minutes into it, start getting really good color on it. 22, 24, so we're just about there. Should be off in just a minute. Be right back. It's an hour and 15 minutes. 26, let's pull it off. All right, it's been about another 10 minutes. Let's see what the bone marrow looks like. See how it's going in nice and easy? That's what we're looking for right there. Carry it inside. To start with, I'm gonna toast up some garlic here. I have about a tablespoon in there. I got 4 cloves of garlic here, minced garlic. Put just a little bit in there. While that's melting, I'm gonna take a spoon, the end of the spoon, get that out like that. What I'm gonna do is take it with my spatula, break it all up. As you can see, it's starting to fry good. Got that fat in there along that butter. We're looking for it. Just keep making sure I got all that bone marrow broken up good. As soon as the garlic starts getting toasted, add some more butter to it. We'll do about 2/3 a stick with this today. Starting to brown on us. I don't want to brown it too much, so I'm gonna turn this thing off. Add a little bit of parsley to it. I'll pour this off the heat. And keep stirring it in, let it kind of calm down. While that's calming down, take my other cast iron skillet, put it back on here, medium-high heat. I'm gonna throw in about a good tablespoon of butter. So as soon as my butter starts to melt good, I'm gonna add the other 3 cloves of minced garlic. All right, now as soon as my garlic starts getting nice and golden brown, I'm gonna add my onions to it. I got 1 large yellow onion, sliced up thin. Now to speed up the process, take a piece of tinfoil and lay over the top of it. So now I'm adding 1 can of beef consommé to it. I have about 3/4 cups of some beef stock, a good 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. So now I'm adding a little bit more to Uncle Theo's vault secured. If you want yours less salty, you don't have to do this. All right, so while that's cooking, let's get our buns ready. I got some brat buns here. You can get Subway rolls, anything you want. Cut them just like that, open up. So now what I'm gonna do is take some of this right here, butter, coat it right there. If you notice, I put a little beef marrow in there. Spread it out good, just like that. Now go outside and toast our buns. Come on. All right, I got Recteq turned down to 200 degrees. Just want to toast the buns good. Got some smokiness to it. Like that, just want to toast the buns good. All right. What I'm looking for here is my bread to get nice, a little bit hard. You hear this or not? Let's pull them off. Look at that. Don't that look good? Just want to eat by itself, don't you? All right. Let's go inside. So I just brought my toasted bread inside, as you can see right here. What I'm gonna do to start with is take the provolone cheese and put it on each piece of bread right now, and then set it to the side. Now I'll take the picanha and kind of bring it out here on the cutting board. So got picanha right here resting. Let's slice it up. Use me a slicer knife right here, go on the edge. Doing this for French dips, I'm going to go as thin as possible. All right, so let's see what we got here. Let's do a piece right here. Out in the middle. Nice little fat cap on it. First off, I'm going to taste the piece right here. Look at it pull away pretty good. Cheers. Man, that's absolutely delicious. Man, that picanha's good. All right, so now I'm making sandwiches. What I'm going to do is take a couple of these pieces, and I don't necessarily want the fat cap there on my sandwich. Put a little bit of it off. Make some slices here. Now, what I'm going to do right here next is some onions, like that. All right. So put it back on the smoker, like so. I want my cheese to melt. All right, so got it brought inside. Get ready to taste this bad boy up. You ready? I know I'm ready. One right here out in the middle. Slice it right here in half. Look at that. I want you to look at this. This here's how you do a French dip. If you don't believe me, try it. You tell me I'm wrong. Now it's time to taste it. All right, so we got sliced. Now it's time to taste it. Would you look at that? Look at that thing. Don't that thing look good? Let's see what we got. There's a little Au Jus. Dip it in. Look at that. Cheers. Y'all, this thing's got a ton of flavor to it. We got this smoked picanha with that horseradish and that Dijon mustard glaze, along with the rubs we got on there. Absolute perfection with that. On top of that, we got this bone marrow butter. Tell you what, this right here takes it over the top. It's absolutely delicious. And then we got this Au Jus right now with the onions and everything else in it. Dip all that together. Boys and girls, this right here is absolutely the perfect French toast. If you don't believe me, try it. Lucy, good girl. Dolly, good girl. Well, Dolly liked it and Lucy liked it. If they like it, I know you'll fall in love with it. I'd say the blessing. Lord, bless food by receive. Just saying, pray. Amen. This bad boy's delicious. See you next time.